Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back in new video. Nobody can find the letter Y in 15 seconds. Yes, right here. Great start. Are you quizmaster? Can you find the number 05 in time? Well spotted. This one doesn't match. Which called emoji looks unusual? Ah, there is it. Nice find. Hey genius, challenge yourself. Can you find the odd letter YK among KY? Exactly. Nicely done once again. In this group of cows, which do not follow the rule? Yes, that's the different one. Look closely. Can you spot the odd number 71 between 77 in time frame? Only one is different in this group. Which one is it? Correct, it was hidden. Hey viewer, how good are your eyes? Can you find the odd letter XV in time? Good job, this is the letter. Hello viewer, in this group of birds, one bird is different from the others. Can you find? Very fast, well done. Hello my genius viewer, can you find the odd flower tree emoji? Excellent. Hey viewer, can you find the odd one different file emoji? Well done, that's the one. One of these emojis doesn't belong to the group. Which one? Exactly right. You handled that perfectly. start. Hey viewer, can you find or letter Y8K in 15 seconds? Right here, sharp eyes. Hey my honorable viewer, find the odd number 942 in time. Excellent vision, right here. Hello my genius viewer, this was impossible to find the odd letter within time frame. Hello my genius viewer, can you find the odd one in 15 seconds? Amazing, you found it, the odd letter. Genius can find the odd letter in time frame. Hello my viewer, which one is the unique vehicle? Can you find in time? Amazing viewer, this one is the unique vehicle. Only the smart guys can find the odd number in the given time. Good job, this is the number. Hey viewer, can you pick the odd one letter in time frame? Hello my honorable viewer, one letter is different in the below letters. Can you find in 15 seconds? Great job, this one is the different letter. Hey my genius audience, one number is different. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Super, this number is different from other. In this quiz, my viewer, check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji in time? Correct, that's the unusual one. Hello my gentleman viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Nicely done, this one breaks the rule. Medium level done, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Hey viewer, test your visual skills. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? sharp thinking. This one doesn't match. Can you spot the odd number in time? Good job, you spot the number. In this quiz, check your IQ level. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Great work, it's right here. Can you find the letter that looks different in the grid? You found excellent focus. Hey viewer, are you focus master? Can you find the odd number in 15 seconds? Incredible concentration. Nice catch. Observation skills. Can you look at the letter that doesn't match the rest? This one is clearly different. Well spotted. Hello my genius viewer. Can you find the odd one in 15 seconds? Aha, it's the odd one. Only the sharp eyes can find the odd emoji in time frame. Amazing! This one is the odd emoji. Hey viewer, can you identify the odd number in 15 seconds? Can you spot the unusual letter on the screen? You found it. Great job. Hey viewer, test your brain power. Can you find the odd number in time? Right here. Nice observation. Can you catch the odd emoji before time runs out? This one doesn't match the rest. Brain test. Can you find the odd letter in the given time? Boom! You found the intruder. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.